Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this mask that I've been using for a while. This is the Miguhara x Punbaki Shine Calming Daily Pack. So I didn't buy this. Miguhara actually sent me this over for me to try, and today I want to share with you my thoughts about the mask. Anyway, before I talk about my experience, I'm going to read about the product claims first. So the product claims to suppress melanin production for brighter skin tone. The mask contains cica, clotholine, chamomile, bearberry, and arbutin to calm sensitive skin and repair skin damage. The mask also contains 6 types of peptide for anti-aging benefit. The box comes with the plastic tweezer, so it looks like this, so you can maintain the cleanliness of the mask. You can use it like that. Oh, and the mask is thin and the essence is watery. It looks like this, and when I use it on my face, it's not too big, not too small. It fits perfectly on my face. But if I can improve one thing, maybe they can make the eye area more fitted, something like that, maybe a little smaller. But anyways, the mask cover my face completely, and it has a lot of remaining essence after I took this off. I can use it for my neck and my hands also. Anyway, I've been using this for around 1 week consistently every day. I noticed that the brightening effect is not so significant, but it reduces redness on my skin. So I use this when I use this during PMS, so my face is a little red in here and here, and the mask reduces the redness on my face, which I really appreciate. And also after I use this mask, my face feels more healthy and more moisturized. Because of the watery consistency, I can use other skincare products that I have at home. You can layer this with other products. So yeah, I think it's quite versatile. The consistency is not too thick, so you can continue with other skincare steps if you want to. Anyways, one box of this is around $52, which is quite pricey for me. But if I divided 52 with 30 pieces, because one box of this contains 30 pieces of mask, so 52 divided by 30 is around 1.8. so I think it's still okay, still affordable, but maybe the total price is a little pricey. Anyways, overall, I really enjoyed the experience of the mask. I don't think I will repurchase again, but I don't think I will repurchase is because of the price, but I really enjoyed the experience overall. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope the review is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.